In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off professional account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Now guys, tap at these three dots to go to settings and activity, and right here we are looking for that option, creator tools and controls. On your Instagram account it may be also called business tools and controls. We need to get into it first, and then if we scroll down, then here we'll find switch account type option. We need to tap on it, and that's where we need to select switch to personal account in order to turn off your professional account on Instagram, just like that. After that, to confirm the switching, tap right here. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.